to my channel. Today I'm here to unbox an interesting package I've got today. I'm going to unbox this package I got from Glossybox. Here's the package. It's the box. The box looks like this. And I got few other packages as well, but they're from Post. I'll make another video on. So the interesting thing about this package is that it has products of worth more than £75, and I got it just in £3.25. Wow, I won't call it a bargain, I call it a steal. How I got it, I'm gonna tell you. First, you need to subscribe Glossybox on their website using a referral code to receive £10 off on your first box. Delivery is free. My referral code is sundas/R7. Please note, as it is a subscription, you will need to cancel it. So order before 14th of September so you can cancel your subscription after ordering your first box without the October box automatically being ordered for you. The September box is pure relaxation themed box. Okay, I think I have made every point clear to you. Now let's move towards the unboxing. The glue here is so stubborn, it's not gonna open it. I guess I will be needing a scissor to cut it and then I will open it. So I'll get back to you. So now I have opened the box. This is the inside box, inside package that I've got, and there are some other vouchers as well with it. This is a jewelry voucher. This is also a 30% off on Amazon aromatherapy range. That is great. This is 60% off first box on HelloFresh. So we'll read them later on. So first, let me open this box. I've already opened it once. So this is how it looks. This is the description of all the products that are inside the box. Here they are. So I will read it later on. So this is how it looks. I'm going to open it. So this is a pearl sheet mask. Antibacterial cleansing foam. I really needed this one. These are some perfume samples that I can show you as well. Here they are. And then this one is a Figs and Rose Clarity. Okay. And this one is Amco Beauty Cheap and Lick Tint. Oh, I'm in love with lip and cheek tints. Last product is this brush. Oh my god, this is so soft. This is for cleansing purpose and this is for exfoliating purpose. Okay. And they sent me a treat as well of indoor chocolate. Okay, so this is all from the box. I will apply these products and then I will see the results. I must say I'm quite happy with this purchase as it's impossible to get 5 products in £3, and that is 2 cleansing foam, a serum, a lip and cheek tint, and a brush and some perfume samples. It's impossible to get elsewhere on this price. So I am totally recommending this box. It's your own choice to get that each month, or you can skip that by canceling the subscription. I hope you like this video. Please share, like, and subscribe my channel.